Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're working on our 07 Mazda 6 sedan, and we're going to show you how to take the trunk lock cylinder out and replace it. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the trunk first, and this particular model has a electric button, pops the trunk. To pull these clips down, I take a small screwdriver, flathead, and it's a centerpiece, pops out, and you pull it down. Now, if you just wanted to change the bulbs in the assembly, you just need to pull that many down. But we're going to pull the whole liner down. And just repeat this process to all the clips all the way around. Going to reach up and disconnect that rod, and you've got this plastic clip, and it just slides the way it's got an opening to it, so you're going to push it like that, pull the rod down, set it aside. And you got two 10mm mounting nuts. Break those free. It's got a little foam pad to it, like waterproof pad. So just going to grab it firmly and pull it down. And that is your trunk lock. To install, I'm just going to reverse the procedure. Make sure there's an angle here. See, you don't want to, you can't put it that way. So it's kind of self-explanatory. Oh, it looks like they cut a big notch out too. See that? Big notch and the small notch. They think of everything, don't they? Now I'm going to mount the two nuts. Get my socket and tighten it up. To connect the rod, and just put the angled rod up into the plastic and then click it on with your finger. I'm going to hold the liner up, and I'm going to just stop pushing the clips all the way around. These are those body clips. They've got the little fingers, so you have to squeeze those. Don't push the tab down yet. You want to squeeze line them up. Easier said than done. There we go. Get that one. Lock it in. Go to the opposite side so I don't have to hold it. Sometimes it takes two hands. There we go. Now I'm just going to repeat this procedure to all put the rest of the clips in. Last one. I'm ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.